Hello, my friend. I am really glad you are here with me today. This is not just another workout. Today we are doing a focus session to help reduce belly fat and activate your core. If you press play, it means you decided to take care of yourself. That already makes you stronger. Stay with me until the end because the most important part comes later. Place your phone to the side. You do not need to look at the screen. This workout is made for audio. Just listen to my voice and feel your body. One important thing before we start. Belly fat does not disappear with one exercise. But the right combination of movements sends a strong fat-burning signal to your body. Today we are turning that signal on. Are you ready? Let us begin. First, we wake up the body. Stand tall. Feet shoulder width apart. Relax your shoulders. Pull your belly in gently. Take a deep breath through your nose. Slowly breathe out through your mouth. Again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. Now start marching in place lightly. Do not rush. Just move your body. Arms relaxed. Breathing naturally. This is your warm-up. 30 seconds. If you feel your body getting warmer, that is perfect. That means it is working. Now the first exercise. High knees in place. Stand tall. Lift one knee up. Lower it. Then the other knee. Keep your core tight. Chest up. Do not hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Controlled and steady. Continue for 40 seconds. If you feel the burn, do not worry. That is a good sign. Rest for 20 seconds. Keep moving lightly. Breathe. Second exercise. Squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back like you are sitting on a chair. Knees do not go too far forward. Core tight. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you come up. Slow and controlled. 15 reps. This exercise activates your whole body and helps burn more fat. Rest 20 seconds. Third exercise. Standing twists. Stand tall. Extend your arms in front of you. Rotate your upper body to the right, then to the left. Keep your belly pulled in. Squeeze your core on every twist. Breathe naturally. Continue for 40 seconds. This one is great for the sides of your belly and waist. Rest 20 seconds. Now we move to the floor. Use a mat if you have one. Fourth exercise. Crunches. Lie on your back. Knees bent. Feet on the floor. Hands lightly behind your head. Lift your shoulders slightly off the floor. Do not sit all the way up. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. Focus on your belly, not your neck. 15 reps. Rest 20 seconds. Fifth exercise. Leg raises. Lie on your back. Legs straight. Hands by your sides. Slowly lift your legs up to 90 degrees. Slowly lower them down without touching the floor. Keep your core tight. 12 reps. Bend your knees slightly if needed. Rest 20 seconds. Sixth exercise. Plank. Lie face down. Place your forearms under your shoulders. Body in one straight line from head to heels. Pull your belly in. Breathe normally. Hold for 30 seconds. If your body is shaking, that means it is working. Rest 30 seconds. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Now we start the second round. This is where your body really starts burning fat. Stay with me. High knees again. 40 seconds. Same rhythm. Strong core. Steady breathing. Rest 20 seconds. Squats again. 15 reps. Focus on form, not speed. Rest. Standing twists again. 40 seconds. Squeeze your core with every turn. Rest. Crunches again. 15 reps. Slow and controlled. Rest. Leg raises again. 12 reps. Feel your core working. Rest. Plank again. 30 seconds. Hold strong. You can do this. Deep breath. Slow exhale. Great job. Now the final block. This is the part most people quit. You will not. Stay with me. Final exercise. Mountain climbers. Get into plank position. Bring one knee toward your chest, then switch. Controlled, not rushed. Core tight. 30 seconds. Rest 15 seconds. Mountain climbers again. 30 seconds. Rest 15 seconds. Final plank. 40 seconds. Breathe. Pull your belly in. Stay strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Lie on your back. Arms relaxed by your sides. Take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Again, my friend. If you made it this far, you did something powerful today. This workout will not remove belly fat in one day, but it sent the right signal to your body. If you do this 4 times a week, you will see changes. One last tip. Do not eat sweets right after. Drink water. Walk a little. And most important, be consistent. Before you go, let me share something interesting with you. Many people think belly fat is only about food or exercise. But here is a fact most people do not know. Stress and lack of sleep can slow down belly fat loss more than bad workouts. When you are stressed, your body produces cortisol. Cortisol tells your body to store fat, especially around the belly. That means every time you relax, breathe deeply, and take care of your mind, you are also helping your body change. Another interesting fact. Your core muscles are active almost all day, even when you are standing, walking, or sitting. The workout you just did helps these muscles wake up and stay active longer. That means after this session, your body continues burning calories even while you rest. This is why consistency is more important than intensity. Here is a small challenge for you. Today and tomorrow, try to stand a little taller. Pull your belly in gently when you remember. Not tight, just aware. This simple habit helps activate your core and improves posture. Small actions like this make a big difference over time. Now let me say this to you honestly. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to train every single day. You just need to come back. Even if you miss one day, even if you feel tired, even if motivation is low. Come back. Every time you press play, you win. I want you to be proud of yourself. Not because your body will change, but because you are showing up for yourself. That is real strength. Many people wait for motivation. Strong people create discipline. And you are doing that right now. I wish you energy in your body and calm in your mind. I wish you patience with yourself and trust in the process. Your body listens to what you do consistently, not what you do once. Remember this. Progress is quiet. Changes happen slowly. One day you will look back and realize how far you have come. And it will feel amazing. Thank you for training with me today. Take care of your body. Be kind to yourself. And when you are ready, press play again. I will be right here.